Hey, what's up everyone? This is Minnesota Mike back with you for another video. This is another video in the Love is a Choice video series, which was inspired by a single phrase, love is a choice, that was spoken to me during a pretty bad breakup, and was kind of used to justify the breakup. This song was inspired by two things, Crimson and Clover by Tommy James and the Shondells, and a Jerry Seinfeld bit. Weird deal, let me explain. So, Crimson and Clover go very well together, Rain and Leather do not. In this Seinfeld bit, he was asking how that was determined, how somebody figured that out, and he said, yeah, I'm picturing, these cows, it's starting to rain, and these cows are coming in from grazing, and they're saying, let us in, let us in, let us in. And so I realized Crimson and Clover go well together, Rain and Leather do not. And that's where we were at in terms of our relationship. So this is Rain and Leather off of Love is a Choice. Hope you enjoy it. You lied, now we can't mend. No, we cannot be friends. We used to go together, but now we're Rain and Leather. We held hands down on Main Street. We would not admit defeat. It's as if you don't remember, 'cause now we're Rain and Leather. It was just wishing and wanting. Now you're constantly haunting. All our ties are now severed, 'cause now we're Rain and Leather. I was standing at the altar. Why did our love falter? We talked for was so better. Now we're Rain and Leather. What's life for if you leave me fettered? Now we're Rain and Leather. Now we're Rain and Leather. Alright, and that was Rain and Leather. That is the 8th track off of my album Love is a Choice, upcoming at some point soon. And be sure to go check out the other songs in this video series, as well as the ones in the Carmen video series, Somewhere Else video series, Pass the Mic video series, Sophomore Jinx, Wild Wild West, Cinco de Mayo, the Anyway the Wind Blows, and Wedding Day video series. Also, I have some videos up from my current album, No Curtain Call. Make your lives a whole lot easier by subscribing to Minnesota Mike on YouTube. Like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and then check me out on iTunes and Spotify as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to tune in next week.